ScoreFixPro Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of ScoreFixPro, a professional credit repair and improvement service designed to help individuals achieve better financial standing. If you're considering using this service, I've added links to the product in the description below for your convenience. Let's dive into its features, who it's best for, and my experience with it to give you a clear understanding of what to expect. ScoreFixPro offers a complete suite of credit repair tools aimed at identifying and resolving issues on your credit report. The process begins with a comprehensive credit analysis, where their experts scrutinize your reports from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to uncover inaccuracies, outdated items, or questionable entries. These can include erroneous late payments, duplicate accounts, or even fraudulent charges. Once identified, ScoreFixPro handles the dispute process on your behalf, streamlining the resolution and saving you time. A key feature of ScoreFixPro is its tailored credit improvement plans. Alongside fixing errors, they provide actionable recommendations to help you build a stronger credit profile. This includes strategies to lower your credit utilization, establish positive credit history, and manage your accounts more effectively. Their advice is practical and geared toward achieving long-term credit health, not just short-term fixes. The platform also stands out for its user-friendly client portal, which offers real-time updates on dispute progress, detailed credit score tracking, and additional educational resources. This transparency ensures you're always informed about the status of your credit repair journey and allows you to see tangible progress over time. ScoreFixPro is ideal for individuals dealing with poor credit due to reporting errors, or those looking to prepare for major financial milestones, like securing a mortgage or financing a car. It's also a great option for those who want expert guidance without navigating the complex credit repair process on their own. In conclusion, ScoreFixPro combines effective dispute resolution with personalized credit-building strategies, making it a strong choice for anyone serious about improving their credit score. For more information or to get started, check out the links in the description. Take control of your credit today with ScoreFixPro.